Before I get into talking about how you can get yourself banned here, I'm going to briefly go over what banned is in the YouTube sense. See, YouTube kind of takes a very diplomatic approach to it in that they don't have an outright ban type feature. Instead, what they have is something where your comment can be hidden on the video. Now, you can still go ahead and make the comment and you'll see it, but no one else will. Especially important, I won't. So right about now, you're probably saying, what's going on, John? Why are you bringing this up? Well, my so-called rant video has gotten more views over the past few days, and along with it is dragging in people that have never, like I've never seen them before in the comment section. I have to believe, based on some of the things that I've read from them, they have no familiarity with what I do, and they're just reacting to that video as it is. And you know what? That's absolutely fine. As long as you keep it civilized, I have no problem with it, even if I 100% disagree with what you're saying, okay? It is when people start to insult. That's where we run into problems, because I will not, under any circumstances whatsoever, unless it's a joke and I can perceive it as a joke, take any kind of insulting talk to me as a person. Like I said, it's perfectly fine to disagree with what I gotta say, but do it in a civilized way. Otherwise, you're gone. Like, I really wish that I didn't have to make videos like this. It would be great if the average viewer had the same level of respect as the regular viewers do, which is great. You know, I like getting words of encouragement because I'm not doing anything here that is meant to damage anybody in any way. Everything that I do is helpful in some way or another. Even my rant video was helpful for the people that would actually listen to what I said there and understand what I was saying.